40 questions covering vocabulary, grammar, and idioms. Can you get them all right? What does up the ante mean? Answer D. Raise stakes. What does take it on the chin mean? Answer C. Accept calmly. Which is a synonym of mundane? Answer B. Ordinary. Choose a synonym for nostalgic. Answer B. Sentimental. What is the antonym of affix? Answer A. Detach. Opposite of decline. Answer D. Increase. Choose the correct plural form of synthesis. Answer B. Synthesis. What is the plural form of chairman? Answer D. Chairman. What word best completes the sentence? Answer C. She went on speaking even after everyone asked her to stop. Which option correctly fills the gap? Answer A. If he had left earlier, he would not have missed the flight. Fill in the blank with the correct option. Answer C. This cake is so delicious that everyone wants a second piece. Form the past simple of resit. Answer B. Reset. What is the past simple form of dwell? Answer A. Dwelt. Which option is spelled correctly? Answer C. Combine. Which spelling is correct? Answer D. Luminous. Find the correct spelling. Answer B. Roughly. Pick the opposite of cease. Answer D. Continue. What is the opposite of broach? Answer C. Avoid. Opposite of defer. Answer B. Hurry. Which is a synonym of list? Answer C. Catalog. Choose a synonym for vindictive. Answer D. Revengeful. What word is closest to narrow? Answer C. Thin. What's the meaning of backroom deal? Answer A. Secret deal. What's the sense of be streets ahead? Answer D. Far better. What does rain, cats, and dogs mean? Answer B. Rain heavily. Form the past simple of upset. Answer A. Upset. Choose the correct past form of browbeat. Answer C. Browbeat. What is the past tense of beget? Answer C. Begot. What is the past simple form of shred? Answer D. Shredded. Choose the correct plural form of coma. Answer B. Comas. What is the correct plural of offspring? Answer D. Offspring. Choose the correct plural form of icicle. Answer A. Icicles. What is the plural of trolley? Answer C. Trolleys. Fill the gap. Answer D. I told my parents about the plan yesterday. Can you guess the missing word? Answer B. She was praised for her innovative approach to the project. What word best completes the sentence? Answer D. Each of the participants has given clear instructions. Keep going 4 questions to finish. Which spelling is correct? Answer C. Evidence. Which option is spelled correctly? Answer B. Marginal. Which spelling is correct? Answer D. Genetically. Which option is spelled correctly? Answer C. Remain. How did you do? What was the toughest one? Comment your score and follow for more.